Welcome to Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian. Tonight I'm working on some rhinestone templates. On the Cameo 2, I have a two hat, two brims of the hat designs, and on the Cricut Maker, I have a ladies design. I'm going to put the ladies design on a t-shirt, and the brim of the hat designs, I'm going to put that on a couple of baseball caps that I have. And I found the designs, one design I found on Etsy, and I think I found the lady design on Etsy some time ago. But in my, I guess if you want to say spare time when I'm not doing my baskets, I'll be making making the different doing some different rhinestone templates, and I just wanted to show both the machines running at the same time. I didn't set up the other two, the Romeo or the other Silhouette 2. I didn't put anything on those right now, but this is the first time I'm actually running two machines at the same time. So I'll probably be doing a little bit more of that. Anyway, I just wanted to check in real quick. I will record how easy the both of them came out when it comes down to peeling them off, and to see what I have left to go with them. And actually, I'll probably just pause the video and wait so I can see how they came out, and let this all be on the same video. So stay tuned. Okay, here's the one that came off the Cricut. And this is the lips and the earrings. So I'm going to try this one and see. Does it peel well? And I already see some dots already trying to come loose. I'm trying to stay on, but it's peeling pretty good so far. A few are staying. But overall, it's coming off. They're coming out pretty good. Okay, that peeled pretty good with no holes left. And I have to get and I'll just sit this one on here, and then I'll put the other design on the same one once that one finishes. That's still on the machine right now. And now for the design that was on the Cameo. And I'm looking, and I actually may be able to save. I'll see if I feel like it's worth it. I'm not going to worry about it. Not this time. I'll just go ahead and peel. The last time I did it, I didn't have a lot of a lot of the dots were removed, and I didn't have to go back trying to get things to come loose, and it kind of like it's starting, just a few here and there, but it's coming off smoothly. And I'll catch one or two slowly trying to pop them off so that I won't have to pull them off afterwards. Now the last template I made, when I say I just pulled it up, I just pulled it up. No, wasn't doing what I'm doing now. And actually, I'm gonna get the brayer and go over it for a minute. See if maybe that helps a little bit. I didn't have to do that before, but it's always a first time. So there's still some. But I'm trying to just get them all off now. For the most part, I'll go back and get the other ones off. I'm gonna just sit it on my table for a minute and see. I'll turn it around. And I'll try one more thing. 1 second. Okay, I'm using the lint roller, the paper, and I'm just putting it on the back and taking up all of the dots. Got one stubborn dot that does not want to. Okay, here I go. Well, okay, I have 2 different patterns. Trying to focus it so that you can see it. I'll turn it this way. This is the brim of the hat. Well, let me put it on a mat, and maybe you can see it better. Okay, the bottom is the brim of the hat, and I believe this part is the top part leading up to the point, but I'm going to play with it and see how it works anyway. But this is one of the templates, and then here is the lip, the earrings, and the lips, and the ladies is still on the machine and still being cut. The rhinestones templates are still the holes are still being cut on the Cricut. So that's all I have for right now. I will show it once everything is completed, but I just wanted to share me doing a rhinestone template running both of the machines. Anyway, if you went all the way to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for just taking time out to just watch my video. I'm asking you to like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. And again, thank you for watching, and have a blessed evening. Bye.